every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. We're gonna need 200 grams of bulgur wheat, 1.5 cups of water, 200 grams of cherry tomatoes, halved, 1 English cucumber, peeled, seeded, and cut into small dice, 4 scallions, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 24 grams of parsley, finely chopped, 6 grams of mint, finely chopped as well, zest and juice of 1 lemon, and salt and pepper. I will start by adding the water in small saucepan and bringing it to boil. Once it's boiling, I'll season it with a good pinch of salt, add in the bulgur, stir to mix, and cover with the lid. I'm also going to reduce the heat to low and then simmer for 15 minutes or until the bulgur has absorbed all the water and it's gotten tender. In the meantime, to a large bowl, I will add pretty much the whole ingredient list. So that's the chopped cucumbers, scallions, mint, parsley, lemon juice and zest, extra virgin olive oil, and season everything with salt and pepper. When the bulgur is done cooking, I'll add it as well, toss everything together, and that's it. Wait, I'm just realizing, why didn't I serve this in a plate? Because, well, that's a huge portion, alright. But I'm in my own home. I'm about to have this for lunch. Seriously, why didn't I put it to a plate? I guess we will never know how to assemble now a bite from such a huge bowl. Okay. I love such kinds of salads. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. I love salads, whoa, this weighs, with some sorts of like grains in them, and when they're still warm, oh, it's not even still warm, it's like kind of hot. It gives the veggies some warmth. The veggies give the, whatever grain you have, some taste. And this is one of those salads which stand in the fridge so well, and then it gets even better with time. So I feel like my cherry tomatoes are quite big. I could have quartered them. This is so good. I love such things. I always buy some freshly baked bread with this. Guess who's having a great lunch today? So, this is how mine looks like. This is Laura's. Love such kind. What salad did I try? Oh, I will not remember the name now. But it was some very interesting grain which I had to search for, and still I wasn't sure if that was it. I will leave the link to that recipe as well. That was a bomb. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited about my lunch. If you want to try this recipe yourself, which I mean, don't you wanna? The written recipe is in the description box down below in both imperial and the metric systems. I am converting every single recipe I try into the, system that I'm using, metric one. So either way, you're covered. If you want, one sec. Oh boy, I almost breathed in 1 bulgur, and that's not the way. What I was saying, if you want more recipes like this, the whole playlist is on some side. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was fun and helpful, and I will see you soon. Bye!